Hi everybody, Jamie True here, Head of Business Development at Simpled, and welcome to another Friday's Tip of the Week. This week is another really short but simple one, and that's showing you how to rename your locks. The reason you might want to do this is the same reason I did it the first time, which was I had a Simpled lock, only one, realised how amazing they were, bought loads more, and as such I needed to differentiate which lock was which. So I'm going to show you how to go into the locks and change the name. Welcome to Friday's Tip of the Week. Here we are back in the TTLock app. You can see I've got a couple of different locks associated with my app, all with different names, and I'm going to show you how to edit the name of a lock if you end up buying more than one and need to differentiate between the multiple locks. So to start off, you're going to go into the lock you want to rename, then you're going to go to settings, and then it's actually in basics, and from here you can see name, and then I can change that to whatever we like. We'll put bedroom test, for example, and then in the top right hand corner, save. And now you'll see that if I come out of this, there we go. We have bedroom new, bedroom test, and now front door. And it's just that easy. I told you that was going to be a nice, easy, quick one. And now that you know how to rename locks, you can purchase more Simpled locks to your heart's content. Thank you for joining us this Friday, and we'll see you next Friday for another Tip of the Week.